Merry Christmas, everybody, and have a blessed New Year. We're the Zapantas from San Jose, California. Ako si Ate Girlie, most of you know, and this is si Kuya Tonton. And we have two kids, Dominic and Anjo, and our bunso, Gretzky.
Hello everyone, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Pasko na dyan, malapit na rin dito. So, thank you sa lahat ng alala nyo and we'll hope to see you soon.
First of all, I want to congratulate all the officers and the organizing committee ng reunion. Job well done, everybody. I want the names of all the officers. May premyo kayo sa akin. Pero abunuhan muna ni Tita Presi. Meantime. No, kidding aside, I want to send you some gifts or any kind of prize na pwede ko ibigay sa mga gumawa ng nag-organize ng reunion na yan. Really, job well done. Thank you very much. Everybody should thank all of you. And also, we should, in celebrating this Christmas reunion, we should remember everybody that lahat ng relatives natin that were gone too soon. We will surely miss them. Also, let's thank God for the past year, for giving us the strength and the guidance. Now, we were able to surpass everything, and let's be grateful for all the blessings, be it small or big. Let's just be thankful. And also, let's be excited for the coming New Year, because I know that we will have more blessings and everybody will have good provisions and favor from God. So expect the unexpected. Expect the biggest blessing, because sabi sa Bible, God will meet you at the level of your expectation. So let's expect a lot from God, okay? All the blessings. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Tito Buddy, Tito Frankie, kumusta na kayo? Natanggap niyo ba yung pinadala through Tita Presi? Miss na namin si Tita Presi dito.
Nasa box si Tita Presi. Andito pa yung box eh.
Nandito pa ba? Sorry, advance pala.
Roger. Hi, Roger!
Roger and out!
Miss ka ni Kuya Ton, Roger.
Kumusta na?
And Merry Christmas, everybody.